Y'all, if you're ever tired of fighting with those tiny little screws or grabbing the wrong bit every 5 minutes, then this electric screwdriver right here from VEVOR is actually super handy to have around. They did send it over to us in exchange for this video, but this thing has an adjustable torque too, so you can dial it down for delicate stuff like electronics or crank it up a bit for things like furniture and small repairs. It's super easy to change it. You just tap it right on the back and it'll go up or down for you. It's delicate enough to work on stuff like electronics, or you can crank it all the way up for things like furniture and small repairs. I've used it to put a ladder shelf together. We put up a light fixture with it and it's done great. The battery life is surprisingly good too. It can run for about 50 minutes straight, which is more than enough time for most of our home projects or putting stuff together. But it does come with a Type-C charging cable, so it's easy to charge. You just plug it in like a phone and it's ready to go again before you even know it. It does come with 32 magnetic bits, and honestly that alone makes it worth it because you're covered for pretty much anything, like outlets, computer builds, AC units, faucets, furniture, lights, whatever. Everything sticks nicely in the driver, so you're not dropping bits all over the floor either. And one thing I really love is the LED light on the front. It makes such a difference when you're working in dark corners or behind appliances, or when you're trying to put a hinge on a cabinet or something like that and you can't see. That light will light it right up for you. And the whole thing feels really solid. The bits are steel, so they're tougher than the cheap ones you can usually get. And the screwdriver itself has this nice aluminum shell that doesn't feel flimsy at all. The grip is comfortable too, so my hand doesn't get tired using it. Really, it's just one of those tools that make everyday fixes a lot easier and a lot less annoying. We love it. We know you will too, and I hope this video helps.